All right, hey guys, but I am finally back, and it has been a long time coming. And by that, I mean like I'm pretty sure it's been like 3 weeks. Um, that I'm finally back. I'm live. Sorry, I'm trying to install a Stream Deck update. Uh, oops. Okay. I don't think my Stream Deck's gonna work, but I don't really use it anyway. Or I don't have to use it anyway. Uh, Deck. Let's just see if it even works. I don't even really use it that often. I don't even know what I'm planning on doing this stream, honestly. I'm kind of just here, you know? Like, essentially, the office has been painted for the Office Makeover series. That looks weird. I gotta fix that. Anywho, I'm currently editing that episode. It's not really an episode, it's kind of just like me, like, vlog style updates. So that we have that going. The desk's coming in the middle of September. Other than that, there's not much going on in the terms of Thunderworld Interactive, at least. I mean, who knows at this point? Let's see. I don't really know what I'm doing with this. I don't know what I'm doing here at all. I just wanted to come on live for a little while and just talk, I guess. But I mean, if no one joins, there's not really much for me to talk about. Um, we could work on multitude of different projects. We could work on Orland and Crewin, one of the two towns left for the update, or we can go over some updates with Thunderbolt Interactive. I don't have a lot, but I do have a couple. I don't I don't know. Um Trying to see what. I'm still trying to look around, see what I have. I guess I can point that out. Our Google Suite's been updated. So we now have 2 terabytes instead of 30 gigs each. There's 2 terabytes for both of us, me and Michael. Um, and I'm not really sure what else we got going on. I mean, it's been 3 weeks of me working on painting this room, and it looks amazing now. And I mean, it's nice and open. I wonder if I can show this. So like, right here is where the rack is, and now it's just the PC with my headset on top. And then back there is where Michael usually works, that little wooden desk area. Currently folded down. Then we have my trash AC unit. We have maybe myself. Actually, let me this way here. Over here is all the stuff that was in this closet, and this is kind of just been taking a dump. And then also all of the server stuff is right back there as well. So that's kind of what my office looks like right now. I can't wait to get that video uploaded, but I don't know. I've been working on, and actually, I might as well just show this. Like, there's no really reason why I don't need to. Uh, let's take out window and go to monitor. Raw monitor. Here. All right, so I am working on the job listing for a environmental artist, and kind of what I've been working on before this. Kind of just like a rough estimate here, but this job posting is going to be available probably around February. Um, pretty much beginning of 2024 when I'm working on it. It's going to be. Hold on, let me mute my mic here. Give me a sec. Okay, sorry, hello, my wife calling. So essentially, I'm just trying to like make this look a little nicer. I'm gonna put our logo on the top, which is what I've actually was just about to do. Insert an image from my computer. Looking for an interactive logo. We definitely don't need this to be. I want this to be not that. Yeah, this is what I need. I need this to be aligned to the center. So let me just make sure. Boom, boom. Okay. Now, all of these need to be heading. So this is going to be the title. We can. These will be center aligned. And then these are all be heading ones. Oh, just like that. And then if you just see these, we're going to replace them with nothing. There you go. Just like that. So this looks a lot better for a job listing. Obviously, we don't have an exact compensation for this role yet, so. And then this is going to get a heading 2. There we go. Yeah, see, this looks a lot better. And then I also have the environmental artist contractor agreement, which I also have not finished working on yet. So, like all of these are going to have, so like this is going to have the Funnel Interactive logo on it as well. And it's kind of just me working on this stuff. Obviously, it's not stuff I necessarily need. I also want to make this centered. Just like that. Now Control Alt 1, Control Alt 1, Control Alt 1. Get rid of all the asterisks. There we go. Hold on. Be back. Give me a second. Okay, sorry about that again. So this is kind of like the default for all of my contractor agreements that we'll have. So environmental artist is the main one that we're working on currently, and I can close YouTube. Then we also have like our pricing sheets, our project outlines for our softwares. Since we updated, we now have a share drive, which means I can actually like create a share drive, and we're gonna call this projects. So essentially what we're trying to do is now since we each have 2 terabytes or 4 terabytes used, and we can head over to the admin console real quick. Okay, well, I mean, apparently we have a license, so I'm kind of confused in how that works, because I thought it was per person. But I don't know. Let me look here. Well, let's just look up standard. Yeah, it's $12 per user per month. Yeah, so through WordPress we had Business Starter here, and they stopped offering this. They stopped offering Gmail entirely. So we're now at Business Standard because it wasn't much more compared to what I was paying through WordPress after their own payment. So it was like I think $8 a month for starter per user. So it's 24 versus 16. So I thought I would just add the extra like 2 terabytes, have the ability to create share drives, which means now instead of making sure we have a whole crap ton of data of storage on our main servers, we can move all of our project outlines and all of our like I guess human resource and accounting sort of stuff onto Google Drive, which is what I'm also trying to do here with this projects here. So this is kind of like where I'm trying to create a top level. So we're gonna call software hardware and games, like so. So if I head over here, that's documentation projects. So if we had put this in games, put also in Project Renegade in games, Project Helpline and software, Quest book in games, Lore and Mythos for Crewin in games, software ideas and software. And I can move that to trash. Anything in here? Okay, this can also be trash. This is just gonna be projects. Yeah, this will just be in projects. This will be in games. This can be deleted. So now all we have are these two, which we're gonna create a new share drive called HR, Human Resources. And we're gonna create a new folder called job postings, and then job post agreements. And inside each of these, we're gonna have posted and not yet posted. Same thing in here. We're gonna have posted and not yet posted. Like so. And now we'll head back over to my drive, take the environmental artist contractor agreement, and we're gonna open up both of these and put them into their perspective not posted. And stay at play, I'm not really sure where to put stay at play. I guess state of play technically should be I mean, I guess. Oh, that's the June 2023 one, isn't it? Okay, we actually don't need this anymore. We can just delete this. Cool. So now we have documentation, we have HR, and we have projects. And obviously, I have to add Michael to all of these. Okay. There we go. So now we have all this. This is doing pretty well. Let's just see where we are in storage. Gmail has a decent bit of storage. So I guess that's done. Next up is the website. So we need to add a job posting down here. And also I gotta fix this. And also add the links to these. So let's go edit with Elementor. Close. I'm gonna bring this over to my separate screen here. I gotta work at 4:30. I gotta leave at about 3:30 so I can take something to my wife. Let's see. All right. Where were we? Ah, right. So heading down to the bottom right here. So actually, this is not this. This needs to go. We need to head to the regular my site. So that I believe is the footer. So if we head down to appearance and customize, I guess. I think. I don't know. I think it's somewhere down here. Menus? Nope. Widgets? Oh, yeah, widgets. Footer. Footer column 1. For more info. A, fix that. Now we gotta add all of our links. So let's grab all of our Facebook link, or grab all of our links for so we have Facebook. We'll add our Twitter link. We don't have a Google link. We don't have a Pinterest. We do have an Instagram though. And that is the correct link. So we'll want to add that. We have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, just like that. And now we will save this. Put them collar 2. Our products, and then we're gonna have a actually between add a block. Add a that's a custom HTML. All right, never mind. We're gonna delete that. Want to add a I guess just a paragraph. No. I don't even see this here. See it? Nope. Oh. All right. Well, I guess our products. We're gonna move this here, and then we'll just come here. All right. Say job posting. I keep hitting myself here. I'm gonna move this back a little bit. Trying to see here. What did I do wrong? That? There we go. So now we should theoretically have a job posting link that just heads back to the top of the page. All right, cool. All right, so the job postings page is up, kind of. So I think we're good on that one. So that's good. So we can close that out here. We can also just minimize Unreal. Close this, close this. Trying to keep everything a little bit sane here. So I guess it's time to like find stuff on here and figure out what stuff I can take up to my Google Drive inside the projects folder. Probably stuff in the dev drive, honestly. So we can head through our projects. We can actually do this. So projects, we have games. And inside games, we need to create folders for each game. So Crewin, TWOA, and then Renegade. So we can take this one, these three, and put it in here. This one right here. Cool. Awesome. So now for Crewin around the athys, we have these. Create a new folder, call it press. Now we're going to take the press release draft and just put it in here. And then we can, well, actually, let's just make sure. So yeah, this is kind of like a press release thing that I have to give my game out to the people in the press at some point. That doesn't matter. RAR files, the original map. That we don't need. We don't need the icons. We don't need the models. We need that, that, and that. I'm gonna make a copy of the logo in there. And then just inside this documentation, we're gonna add, oh, inside the project, we're gonna add all three of these. It'd be great if we could just completely move the dev drive out of existence so we have one less drive. All right, cool. So that's done. Blender drive. There's a decent bit in here. That's why we have to keep the dev drive. Accounting. Nothing in here. Is anything in the vault? This is probably would find it. Yeah, software. Create it. So, tech pack, local help. Alright, this is where I thought there would be stuff I would need. App dev. We already got the tech pack icon in there. We can bring the tech pack ICO. And then the Crewin wiki can just come up here for right now. Alright, so Kingdom Hearts Forgotten World is a fan project that I never started really, but we will put this inside the games here. And see what else I can just move all these in here. Trying to save them in the vault. But like we don't need all this stuff in my. I mean, like having everything in here make things a lot easier. Plus, if we have 2 terabytes of storage, I'm obviously going to use it, and all these have pictures and stuff. So, oh yeah, this is the disk that I came up with. That was kind of like a fun project I made in Photoshop. Old screenshots like this, we're gonna get rid of though. But like screenshots like this, we're gonna keep. It looks nice. I don't even know what all this. This is yeah. So these are all like assets and stuff. 3 items left to upload. Let these last items upload, and we can take this out. We can bring this over here this way. Okay. Now we have this hammer Pagamores on. All right, cool. Shouldn't be anything I need in here. So the vault should be specifically pictures now. Fastener's fine. YouTube backup should be fine. Awesome. So we're finally using stuff. Boom. At least now we're like saving space and we're doing stuff. So we don't need this anymore. We don't need this. This. We need these. So over here to document. The tech pack scripts. You want to keep that. I don't know about half of these. This we can get rid of. Get rid of all of this. Get rid of this. Oh, yeah. You can get rid of this video. Let's see what else we got. Videos, nothing. Pictures, server enclosure. Did we change this? We have our HP JPod, DL380. And then we have the 4U version control server. We have my PC. I don't know if we're getting, I'm pretty sure we are getting a second Gen 9, or we're gonna get a second, we're gonna be getting a second JPod, which I don't know why that's not on here yet. Well, I think this was these three posts before. We're no longer gonna have a home assistant. This is gonna be on my computer. Makes it a little bit easier than the UPS is only like 2U. Just trying to find out if there's anything I can do to keep my disk clean. Nothing in OneDrive, you know, there's a lot of stuff. I'm just trying to do as much as I can here. Delete all that stuff. Let's see. We have... The tech pack labeler is done, isn't it? I'm pretty sure this is done, but we're gonna run it just to be safe. Yeah, it is. Let me restart it. Here we go. All right, well, that's really it. I don't really know what much is going on. I don't really have a lot of time, so I'm trying to do stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna get going here because I'm gonna have a studio update, and I have a couple things I gotta do before I go to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this me little rambling, me just doing some company stuff. I want to see you guys in the next live stream. I'm gonna be doing one tonight, roughly around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna be working on Orland. It'll be from 10:30 p.m. to probably about 1 to 2 a.m. We're gonna get Orland done, so we only have one city left that we'll be doing live streams on the next couple days.